Basically, we're gonna put marshmallows in that hat, and then we're gonna be like, oh, put this on, Kev, and then all the marshmallows are gonna fall down. And then I'll distract him, and we'll put this one in.
Guys, hands in, hands in. Let's go. Right, guys, we're about to do the ultimate prank. Come on, let's go.
Right, everyone, please stop for a second, please. Kev is our Santa.
Our Santa.
And Rachel is going to crown him with a Santa hat. No. Now put it on his head.
Kev, how do you feel being Santa?
I love it. I love it.
You're welcome. Stage 2.
Yes, I've been there. Oh,
That's okay. I thought you were ready.